Hey, what's up everybody? This is Beams 3 and yeah, I have Facecam right now. As you can see my face. So yeah, we're doing Subway Surfers part, what is it? 5. If I got that wrong, just put it in the comments below. But I think this is part 5. And sorry about the noise. Sorry about the noise. It's just that I'm watching my cousin's video as he has a YouTube channel. I'm finna show you it right now. You probably can't see that because it's upside down, but his is Von Houston Jr. Just Von Houston Houston. That's how you spell Houston. Just put in Von Houston with some space. So yeah, let's get into this. Sorry about that. Okay, so we're making our way. Sorry about that. Okay, so hopefully my friends and cousin could see this, but I'm not having a special guest today because he won't answer the phone right now, as I called him many times to tell him that I could get FaceTime and show him how to do it, so his videos can be better. I'm just helping him. He's starting. He only has about like 3 videos, I guess. Sorry, that was my brother. He made me look. Made me look. Little freaking. Oh, see. Sorry about that. Guys. Hold up, you guys. I'll just pause this real quick. Just wait a minute. Okay, you guys, I'm back, but I'm sorry about like standing like this. I just have to be really still with the iPad because the charger won't work. Just wait 1 second. Okay, you guys. Hopefully, you'll like this form, but hopefully you guys can see my face because I guess it's a little bit dark, but okay. So 77, it was pitiful because my brother had made me look. Okay. This time I will not look at anything. Sorry guys, I was just trying to do a combo there. I shouldn't be Mr. Pro guy because I'll just mess myself up because I'm not ready to be the pro right now. I am the pro on my iPhone, but on this is not working on me. But hopefully I will someday. And that was just pitiful. Just pitiful. Okay, so far still charging. Just wait a minute, guys. I gotta do this. Okay, sorry about that. Okay, so you may try like 2 more times. So yeah, I feel pretty good about myself because they call me Chico on the streets. Coin counter complete. Hold up, you guys. I will be checking out this prize. Let's see this prize. What is a free gift? Did I not get that? Damn. I forgot all about that. Dang it. Wait, you guys. I will be right back. Okay, you guys, I am back. As you can see, I got this turned on. Wait. Oh yeah, I got this turned on now. So yeah, I feel pretty good about myself right now. And hopefully I won't have to pause again because this thing just get on my nerves. I can't do this. Okay, so we're doing this again now, and now I feel pretty good about myself right now. And why do I keep on saying that? I don't even know why. Okay, sorry about that, guys. It had unplugged again. Dang, what the heck is glitching? It has never happened to me before. I just glitch. Well, I didn't glitch. It's just, the camera was acting stupid. And why do I keep on... I need to concentrate. Okay, you guys, that's all for today. Thank you all for watching, and I will let you know when I will upload the video. I'll upload the next part of Subway Surfers, as this is part 5, and I'm gonna do 5 more parts, as I'm gonna do 10 parts. And trust me, I'm gonna have a lot more coins next part. So you guys, see you later, and yeah, peace. I just gotta, stop the video. Okay, peace, everybody. Hello, what the heck? Okay, hold on, I gotta try this again. Peace, everybody.